Through segmentation and personalization, I helped a swimwear brand increase their SMS revenue by 139% in just 60 days, while cutting unsubscribe rates in more than half. Let's break it down. I'm Melissa Mateski. I've worked with hundreds of brands at Klaviyo over the last 6 years, helping them take their marketing from good to exceptional. Today, I'll walk you through how a stagnant SMS strategy turned into a high-performing channel with some simple but powerful moves. But first, if you're enjoying this video, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content like this. This swimwear brand had a solid foundation, great product drops, and a loyal audience, but their SMS strategy felt stuck. Every week, they'd launch a new collection and send out nearly identical messages to their entire SMS list. They'd send an email first, then follow up with an SMS, but without a clear strategy tailored to that channel. There was no segmentation, no personalization, and definitely no testing. They weren't even delivering on the exclusive early access they promised during SMS signup. So engagement dropped. Subscribers felt fatigued, and headed into the busiest season, the brand knew they needed more than just a weekly push. They needed a smarter way to connect with the right people at the right time with the right message. Here's how we turn things around with a simple 3-step strategy. First, create exclusivity. We made SMS the VIP channel. That meant early access to product drops before the emails went out. Now SMS subscribers actually felt like the insiders, and the promise the brand made during sign-up was finally being fulfilled. This adjustment empowered the team to deliver a smarter and seamless experience across both channels. Then, get hyper-targeted. Instead of blasting everyone, we segmented based on behavior. For example, we built a segment of people who visited the new arrivals page but had not purchased. Then we followed up with them directly via SMS. That kind of intent targeting made a huge impact. Lastly, test and optimize. We ran A/B tests comparing SMS versus MMS, different send times, and campaign frequency. Turns out SMS alone performed better, but the test gave us the confidence to expand our send cadence strategically. These weren't major tech overhauls, just smart, data-driven decisions using Klaviyo's segmentation and campaign tools. In just 60 days, the brand saw a 139% increase in SMS campaign revenue, a 66% boost in conversion rate, and a 63% drop in unsubscribe rate. That's insane. Even better, their revenue per recipient nearly doubled headed into their busiest sales season. That's the power of segmentation and personalization done right. If your SMS strategy isn't delivering the results that you want, here are some ways to improve it. Follow through on your promise at signup. Treat your SMS subscribers like VIPs, segment intentionally, and test and optimize regularly. When you're thinking about messaging your subscribers, you really want to think about, how do I leverage my full database smartly and strategically? Smart, targeted messaging is what sets high-performing SMS programs apart. Be strategic and keep experimenting with all of Klaviyo's powerful tools. You might be surprised how quickly things turn around for you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and head to the description for even more resources on how to learn and grow with Klaviyo. Blip. That's so good. Yeah, sorry, that really threw me off.
Normal.
Just be like, the problem.
Make sure you're looking at the camera.
Oh, okay, sorry. They sent an email first.